Hey, it's Annmarie from Organize Me, and I haven't posted a video in a while, and today I had a great opportunity to show you something really cool that I got as a birthday gift that I am trying out for the first time. So my husband and I are, as you can see, big Met fans, and we are traveling today to Philadelphia to see the Mets play. So we're staying overnight and going to see another game tomorrow, and I packed an overnight bag. So this was a perfect opportunity to try out my new portable travel packing shelves. And they fit right into my suitcase, and they allow me to pack actually these shelves at home. I insert them into my suitcase, and then I lift them out, and I'm unpacked in 1 second. Let me show you how it's done. So here's my suitcase, which I've already opened, and I'll unsnap this side, which is where I have all my clothes and stuff. And it has these hooks that you're going to put in the closet over the bar, like you would a regular hanger. They look like hanger hooks. And then look what happens. I lift it right out, and as you can see, there's shelves that I've already packed. So now I just walk to the closet, hook it like I would hook any hanger, and I'm unpacked. How cool is that? I actually even overpacked for this trip because it's only overnight, and there's going to be weather issues, so I brought a couple of extra things, and it still all fit in a very small carry-on suitcase. So down here I just put pajamas and some things like a little turby twist. I have some extra Met shirts for tomorrow, some shorts, because I don't know what the weather's going to be like and what mood I'm going to be in. Up here I have an outfit for tonight and even a sweater. And just like that, I don't have to worry about drawer space or anything like that, wasting any kind of time. It's all here. So I want to show you how easy. I didn't take a video when I was actually packing it, but let's pretend I'm at home now and I'm in my closet. So now I would have hung this up either in my closet, or I have a bar where I do pull-ups in my closet. I hung it right on that. Wherever you can hang it, over a door, and the shelves will open up. So pretend that I just packed this at home. I want to show you how easy it is to put it into your suitcase. So now, if I go back to the suitcase, and as you can see, it is not a big suitcase. It does not look like it could hold all this stuff the way it is packed. But I'm going to put it in, and watch how it collapses. Down like that. I tuck it in. I just hook the hooks. That's my own thing. And now I just take the regular straps that you would use, and there you go. I shut it, I zip it up, and I'm ready for the game. So I hope you enjoyed that. I will post a link. I think there are various companies that make it. I think this one is by Travelon. I'll post a link in the comments so you can check it out. And leave me a comment if you think this is really cool or if you have any questions. Let's go Mets! Have a great weekend.